Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process of finding and editing the clipboard on your iPhone. If you're looking to retrieve a previously copied item on your iPhone, I'll show you how to do just that. Let's start with a quick example of how to use the clipboard. Open the Notes app, double-tap, and select the text you want to copy, and then copy it. Now, if you wish to view or edit the text in your clipboard, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can find it in the App Store as it's an Apple app. Once in Shortcuts, go to the gallery in the bottom menu, search for Clipboard, and scroll down until you find Adjust Clipboard. Select the plus symbol to add it to your shortcuts. Tap the check mark, choose Shortcuts in the bottom menu, and then select Adjust Clipboard. This will bring up your iPhone's clipboard, allowing you to view and edit its contents. You can change or delete items as needed. Once done, select Done. If prompted with a privacy warning, select Allow. Now, when you go back to paste from your clipboard, you'll notice the changes you made. This way, you can easily manage your clipboard content. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!